developing your own magical garden. If you're able to do so, growing your own herbs is a wonderfully satisfying way to deepen your relationship with their magical powers. While many people are extremely not likely to be able to grow each and every herb they ever use in their wonderful practice, even simply a number of plants in a kitchen area window can make an incredible distinction. Obviously, there's absolutely nothing wrong with buying already harvested fresh or dried herbs, almost every which will have the need to do so. The growing and gathering procedure, spread out over time, can actually deepen one's relationship to the spiritual energies of the plant, adding an additional strength to whatever wonderful workings the plant is used for. Plus, living plants just naturally improve the energetic quality of a space, whether inside or outdoors, which is constantly favorable to successful magic. If you've never considered yourself to be much of a gardener, think again. All you need is a little bit of area, faith and perseverance. You don't need to overturn your backyard and plant 7 various kinds of herbs at one time. Feel free to start out small, even with just a single plant, so there's no danger of sensation overwhelmed. After all, plants pick up on people's energies, so if you're stressed and are cynical about your odds of success while you're trying to care for a huge garden, the plants aren't likely to fare extremely well anyhow. In truth, it's usually a better concept to begin with an indoor potted herb or more than to try working directly with plants in the ground. Depending on the climate where you live, outdoor growing can be quite tricky due to seasonal modifications, whereas indoors you can reasonably expect herbs to flourish year-round. Plus, you're less most likely to forget to water your herbs if you see them continually throughout your day. So begin by recognizing a perfect place in your house to begin your wonderful garden, however modest it might be initially. For numerous witches, particularly those in urban locations, this suggests a windowsill in the kitchen. However, it truly depends upon where in your home you get the most perfect sunlight for the herbs you wish to grow. If you don't get much direct sunlight, then pick herbs that do not need much sunlight